Hey there, in today's project we'll walk through the process of how to build this wooden cross. To start off, cut the boards to size. You'll cut 2 boards at 1 by 2 by 12 inches and 9 boards at 1 by 2 by 3 inches. I'm using a miter saw, but a circular saw or hand saw will do the job as well. For today's project, we will use a propane torch to lightly burn our stripes. This will help provide a rustic look to our project. After the stripes have been torched, we will measure 4.5 inches from the right side of the cross and use a carpenter square to draw a straight line. You will use a hammer to attach utility razor blades to the lines that you just drew. Next, we'll apply a navy blue stain to both of the 12-inch boards and 3 of the 3-inch boards. Apply with a foam brush and then wipe off with a towel or old t-shirt. Then repeat the process with the red stain. The red stain will be applied to 1 of the 12-inch boards and 3 of the 3-inch boards. After the stain is dried, use wood glue and clamps to join the stripes together. I start by gluing the 3 separate sections together first, and then glue all the pieces together to form the cross. Let the glued up cross sit for a couple hours and then use a stencil to draw on the stars. I aim to outline and carve 9 full stars for this project. I use a Dremel 105 to outline the stars and a Dremel 106 to fill in the inside of the stars. You can leave the carved stars as they are or use a propane torch again to blend them in with the white stripes. The last step will be to apply a couple coats of polyurethane to the cross. This will help give the cross a glossy, smooth finish and will help protect it from scratches and water damage. If you plan to mount the cross on the wall, I have found that sawtooths seem to work the best for me. Verify that the holes are equal distances from the top of the cross, pre-drill and use the provided screws to attach. I'll include the ones that I picked up from Amazon below. I hope that you enjoyed today's project. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.